Dongguan Hongjin Packaging Products Company Limited, located in Shipai, Town Dongguan, Guangdong, China. Our company established in 2010. There are 78 people in Hongjin and Hengsheng, covering an area of 10,000 square meters. Our main products include medical waste bags, pre-opened auto bags, wicket bags, seasonal packaging bags, biodegradable dog poop bags, garbage bag with drawstring. Quality of biohazard bags can meet ASTM D1709 DART test exceed 165 gram and ASTM D1922 tearing test exceed 465 gram. We had started to make 100% biodegradable bag from PL, APB, AT, or cornstarch PB, AT material to cater for the market of 100% eco-friendly. We have more than 90 sets of blowing, printing, splitting, folding, and cutting machines. The manufacturing procession are strictly according to ISO 9001-2015 International Quality Management System. Our company had been EPI authorized biodegradable products manufacturer passing Smetacedex factory audit every year with our related Hengsheng Poly Bag Company. In the same time, we had become the authorized manufacturer of Walmart, Disney, Target for the promotional party supplies. Care for the Earth is the pursuit of our company. With our best efforts together, we have won more and more customers' belief and support. Welcome new and old customers all over the world visit us and work together to create brilliant,